Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad, and today we have to fix a piece in the track here before we can run a pellet train. So let's go to it. Got a little bit of a wide gauge thing going on right here. Alright. We're a tad out of gauge here, between here and here. So. We're back in gauge, or at least close enough anyway. Let's check this spot.
Shouldn't the third rail connect?
No, doesn't have to.
Does it have to?
Nope. Alright, that spot is fixed enough that we can run a train over it. Alright, I ran over this stone right here. So that's going to derail a pellet train if I leave that there. Let's get it out of there. Things stuck in guardrails is not the easiest thing to clear. Bring that back into gauge. Looks like I got a lot of it to bring back into gauge. So I'll focus on the outside rail, which is what appears to have kicked out. I'm going to have some shaking on the camera. back in. I think we're done. All right, so there we go. There's a quick repair of the track, and you can catch us moving some wood pellets in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.